I'm finally getting around to replacing my doorbell. I never liked this kind, and when they installed it, they even used ugly sheetrock screws, and it just looks really cheap. And over the time, the plastic yellows and cracks. I'd much prefer ringing this beautiful brass doorbell than this cheap plastic one. So I'll put a link in the description below of where you can pick this up. And this is a very easy install. You really just need a Phillips screwdriver. That's the one with the plus-shaped head. The newer construction homes, the wiring for a doorbell can be a lot higher voltage to accommodate the doorbells that spy on you and your guests, invited and uninvited, like the Nest. But in this case, I don't need to turn off the power because this is very low voltage wiring. If you're unsure, you can turn off the power at the breaker just to be safe. So first, unscrew the 2 screws and you will see that there's just 2 wires. It's not complicated at all, but you'll want to be careful since the wires are often thin and very brittle. You don't want to bend them any more than is necessary. So first, remove the screws from the contacts and then place them on the new doorbell contact screws. Now, it doesn't matter which wire goes where, since when you push the button, it really is just connecting the circuit. It's connecting the 2 wires. So with the wires connected, you can now gently push the extra wire length that you may have back into the hole. In my case, I noticed that the insulation on the wires was nicked slightly, so I added some of this yellow electrical tape to prevent any potential shorting. And preferably, I wish they installed the button vertically, but I don't want exposed screw holes. And here you can see the paint. They didn't paint behind the doorbell, so I'll just keep this horizontal, and I'll make sure that as I screw it in that it's nice and level. And here's the finished product. It's much nicer. It's a very simple way to improve the look of your home. So here's the before and here's the after. Even if you don't think about it, I'm sure that even subconsciously it sends a message. It's just a lot nicer look. I don't like the blue light that's coming off of the doorbell. I wish it was a warm tone, kind of a golden yellow color, but this will do for now. Still an improvement over what I had. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. If this video was helpful, please rate and let me know in the comment section. I also have a link if you want to support my channel. Even just a one-time donation of any amount helps greatly. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe for more videos and have a great day.